Hey, you two, welcome back. So today my son just got his switches order from Amazon, and we're going to do a little bit testing on this PC board and then a keyboard case with this keycap. See how it fit. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. I think this is about 14 something bucks for the switches. Hopefully it's good. So this is by AKKO, and this is matcha green color. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. Purchased with our own money, so. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, nice cardboard box. Come with this clamshell. Wow, pretty quiet. So if you guys need to lubricate, you could gotta open this up and lubricate more, so it get more quiet. So with this, you don't need to solder on, which is nice. All you need to just got those 2 pin, and then align with those pin right there, the pinholes. Alright, so in order to, at first I thought the pin is on the top, but actually you need to match there's like a opening hole right there on the top section. That will be the top, okay? And then just this 2 hole right here. It's kind of like a slanted. And then that's it. And then you put this to secure it, to hold it down. And you don't need to solder or anything like that. So this is the back. So a good thing about this PC board, it has a speaker right here. So when you plug it in, it's making a beeping noise. So let's go ahead and test our keycap. So pretend all the keys are installed. Anyway, you need to scoot it on and everything, so make it more quiet. Alright. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Like always, peace.